Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Sierra and I love everything girly and planner. Today's video is going to be a planner haul. I'm going to show you guys all of the new Erin Condren goodies I've gotten, including new planners as well as some other accessories from Michaels and Target. Also be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a preview of my planner cart and doing a huge giveaway. Keep watching. Okay, let's just get started. The first box from Erin Condren is a bunch of the new Woven Wonder and accessories that have come out. Some of these old, some new. Pin holder, and then this is new. This is a reusable bag. It's in the Woven Wonder print, which is the new print for this season's new planners and accessories. Also some bookmarks in the Woven Wonder as well as washi tape, and there's even a new set of markers. I really like these colors, great for fall. Also a snap-in dashboard as well as to and from stickers. These are some of my favorite. Planner bands in the gold metallic as well as a planny pack, which is a pouch you can wrap around your planner. It's really convenient if you like to carry pins and stickers and things like that. They've got a new sticker book, and I'm going to show you guys briefly what all the stickers look like. I think sticker books are a great way to save money because you get a bunch of stickers for one price. These are mostly like banners, box stickers. I love how colorful they are, and they are just so cute and girly. The hearts especially are my favorite, and I love using like banners and boxes even more so than decorative stickers. So I just really love this sticker book. They come out with a new one each year, maybe even a few, and I have all of them. This is probably my favorite or my second favorite. So definitely check one of these out if you are going to order some stuff off Erin Condren. I got two planners, the first in my PR box, which is a horizontal neutral, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. You get a pouch with all the new life planners, and inside it just has a bunch of little goodies like compliment cards and stickers, and you even get a coil clip which allows you to attach the pouch to your planner, and that way you can access it by just flipping it. So here are the first couple pages of the neutral horizontal. It looks pretty much the same as in previous years, with the difference of having the Woven Wonder print, which is like the new theme that Erin Condren's using this year. You do get the year at a glance ahead of time, which is really convenient if you like to do long-term planning. In the beginning, you get a note page, which is different. Before they had the geometric shapes. And here's July. They always start in July, which is perfect for me because July is my birthday month. My birthday was on the 15th, so I treated myself with a new planner and was gifted this one as well. So this is what the horizontal looks like on the inside for the neutral. As you can see, it's pretty much the same setup as before. The difference is there is a darker asterisk in the top left and right corner. So instead of it being white, it's black this year for the neutral. What I love about this planner, the neutral just in general, is that it's very simple and clean, but it has pops of color, and that's completely perfect for me because I love just having a clean look with those pops, and I can decorate it how I want. So I'll just flip through and show you guys the rest of the planner and kind of what the months and the colors will look like. These colors are just stunning. They really did a great job of making the colors pop and just choosing which colors to use for which month. I absolutely love it. February is my fave because it's pink, of course. So this is what all the months look like pretty much. For horizontal, I'm not sure what I'm going to use this planner for yet because I tend to veer towards vertical, but I love this so much. I'm going to have to find a use for it. If you guys have any suggestions down below, let me know. But this is just the year planner, which is great because I like to get a new one every July. In the back is note pages, and you get line note pages as well as dot grid note pages. You also get the Woven Wonder print and some coloring pages. So that can be really relaxing, or you can just cover it and use it for something else. I'm going to use my contacts for passwords this year, so we'll see how that works out. You also get to look at the year ahead, so that's for super long-term planning. In the back you get stickers, and they made them really fun and whimsical this year. You get a lot of different kinds, so not just like your typical box headers, but they give you all sorts of like banners now and box stickers. They even give you these little icon stickers, which are absolutely so cute and functional. So I really love that about the new planner this year. You also, in addition, get the regular boxes, so for those of you who love those, you can still keep those. I also love that they make the stickers very colorful, and you can use them in either planner, the colorful or the neutral. So this is the back, and inside you get a perpetual calendar in the folder. You can use this for whatever you want. It's just like a little mini notebook planner thing, and it has like the dates of every month. So if you guys have ideas, like tell me what you use it for. I want to figure out a good use for it. So you can just keep that in your planner, and that's it for that. Another package I got because I was so excited. I wanted to order some stuff for my birthday. So the first thing I got are these stickers. These actually came out during Valentine's Day, so I think that's what they're designed for, but they're so cute and colorful. I had to get the pack just to use every day in my planner. You can also customize your own box stickers on the Erin Condren website now. So I went ahead and customized my own sticker sheet. I wanted to have something fun and cute and girly for my birthday. So these are the stickers that I created for that, and it turned out beautifully. I also got another planner just because I tend to use the vertical more often. So I got the vertical neutral, and I got this cover, which I've been wanting forever. It does come with the ruler, so you can see that here, but I am removing it. And then it does come with the Woven Wonder print for this year's ruler. So let's open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. So on the inside, it's pretty much the same as the horizontal in terms of the contents and like what you get and what most of it looks like. Like I said, this is the neutral, so you get the planner pouch with goodies and coupons. The first pages look the same. One thing that I did want to point out in this planner, which I don't know if I missed it in the last planner, but you get these boxes, and there's about 12 of them. So you could do one for each month. You could do whatever you want with these. So I love that. You get the note pages in the front. Here's July, and the biggest difference in the month is just that you have a full calendar in the bottom right corner. Now here's where the biggest difference lies between the horizontal and the vertical. Obviously, this one is in the vertical format, and the colors are the same. It's just a lot different in terms of how you write. It's up and down instead of left to right, and so I don't know why, but it's just easier for me to decorate and to plan with the vertical. Again, I love that it's neutral with pops of color, and I love that they give you a lot of creative freedom. This one's just really clean and cute, and I'll show you guys what the rest of it looks like, but in general the colors are the same as the previous one I showed you. It just has this vertical layout, of course, and I like also too that the boxes are blank and they're spaced, and I just love it. The paper quality is so good, and I just love looking at this planner every morning and getting revved up for the day and just planning out my week and my months. So as you can see, these are what the colors look like. They're super pretty and give your planner lots of pops of color, even with the professional look, which I absolutely love. The back pages are the same as in the horizontal one I showed you. You get the lined note pages, the grid note pages, as well as the stickers and the contact list, and everything is pretty much the same. The perpetual calendar, the folder, it's really sturdy, and I love the Woven Wonder print on it this year. I also got an embellishment for my planner. I like to do this sometimes, it's just fun. So I got this one from Walmart actually for $3, and I just decided to clip it to the coil of my planner, and it just makes it cute. I don't know, it's fun. So I also got some stuff from Michael's and from Target, so I'm going to show that to you guys now. I got this sticker book from Michael's, and I actually think this one was marketed towards Valentine's Day as well. It's a Galentine's Day planner book, but there's so many cute stickers in here that I know I could use year round, so I got it, and it was on clearance for 60 cents, guys. 60 cents for all these stickers, so I had to get it. I also got another sticker book. This one is called Hello Gorgeous. It's lots of like Parisian themed and girly stickers, and I love that the first page is stickers you can use. And you'll see there's like a bunch of just random stickers, like box stickers, washi. They give you like a ton of different little cute stickers that are just girly, like related to makeup and beauty. So I'll probably be using this one a lot, actually. I freaking love this sticker book, and I love that you can use coupons. They're $10. They're like between $6 and $10 for the sticker books, and you use the Michaels 40% off coupon, and they end up being super cheap, and you get so many stickers for just a small price. The next sticker book I got is a Kawaii sticker book. It's called Cute Stuff, and I love this one because it's just so animated and fun. This one actually is sold out a lot, so I had to go online to find it and pick it up in the store. Yeah, I'm that bad that I actually do that for a sticker book. It's hard out here in these planner streets, y'all. These are my favorite one, the coffee cups. I love this because I drink coffee every morning. And they've got like some cute little sayings and just other cute stuff that you can use every day. This sushi is adorable. I like these sticker books, especially the Kawaii one, as opposed to buying all your stickers on Etsy, because it's much cheaper. You get more bang for your buck. Like I said, you get all these stickers, and I think I paid maybe like $6 or $7 with tax for this whole sticker book. These mini stickers were another great clearance find, only 60 cents, guys. Also got this sticker book, which is a little Cuties sticker book. These are like the dollar sticker books. This one is Kawaii themed, and I just think the little characters and little stickers are so cute with their little faces. And you get all these stickers for $1, you guys. $1. Like, I cannot get over how cheap that is. Planning does not have to be expensive, and this is proof. And you know, I had to hit up the Target dollar spot. I only got a few things from there, but I'm very satisfied with what I got. They're very affordable too and have really cute stuff. I got these sticky notes. I'm going to definitely use these for a summer dashboard. They're really colorful, and this is only $1. I love this Boss Notes. I guess it's supposed to fit into a binder, but I'm probably going to use it in my planner and maybe cut it if I have to. This was only $1. Also, this dashboard, I think this was $3. It was $1 to $3 maybe. I got this from Michaels. Sorry, I'm jumping around, but I got this sticker book from Michaels. Not a sticker book, but it's a sticker storage. Stickers are so hard to store, and you know, if you have a lot of stickers, it can be crazy. So I thought this was really cute and functional to get. It was $10 with the 40% off coupon. I think it was like $6. So not bad. I love how girly and cute this is, and you can fit a ton of stickers in here. So that's all the accessories and stickers and planners and all the Erin Condren stuff I got. If you want to get an Erin Condren planner, I am going to be doing an Instagram giveaway for 2 gift cards for $50. Also, I'm going to put my link below. If you want to make an Erin Condren order and you never have, you can sign up to subscribe to the newsletter and get $10 off. Last but not least, I wanted to give you guys a preview of my new planner cart. This is the Raskog cart from Michaels. It's super easy to put together, and I just threw a bunch of my planner goodies in there. I like it because I can wheel it around my house and just plan wherever I am at the moment. So I just keep a lot of like my planner supplies in here, notebooks, things like that. I can do a more in-depth tour if you guys would like to see it. Comment down below if that's a video that you want to see, and make sure to thumbs up if you want to see that video as well. So that's it for this planner haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to read the description box for details on the Erin Condren giveaway. I'm giving away 2 $50 gift cards, and I also have a link below where you can get $10 off your first order from Erin Condren. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.